Welcome to Health Benefits, your go-to channel for discovering easy ways to improve your health. In today's video, we'll explore 10 common herbs you can grow at home that have incredible health benefits you might not know about. These herbs aren't just for flavoring your food, they can boost your health in amazing ways. Number 1. Basil, the king of herbs. Health benefits. Basil isn't just for pesto, it's packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and has anti-inflammatory properties. Studies also suggest it may help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a powerhouse herb you can easily grow on your windowsill. How to use it? Basil is perfect for adding fresh flavor to salads, sandwiches, and pasta dishes. You can also steep basil leaves in hot water to make a soothing tea that helps with digestion. Number 2. Mint, fresh and powerful. Mint is more than just a breath freshener. It's known to improve digestion and soothe the stomach, and can even help relieve headaches. Plus, it's super easy to grow at home. How to use it? Mint is excellent in teas, where it can soothe the stomach and freshen breath. Try adding mint leaves to water or iced tea for a refreshing twist, or use it in desserts like chocolate mint brownies. Number 3. Rosemary, the memory booster. Health benefits. Rosemary has been shown to enhance memory and concentration, making it a great herb for students and professionals alike. It also has antibacterial properties, which help fight infections, and is loaded with antioxidants. How to use it? Use rosemary to flavor roasted vegetables, meats, and soups. You can also steep rosemary in hot water to make a tea that may help with concentration and memory. Number 4. Thyme, a natural respiratory aid. Thyme is excellent for respiratory health, helping to clear congestion and fight off infections. The active compound, thymol, has powerful antiseptic properties, making thyme a great herb to have on hand during cold and flu season. How to use it? Thyme is perfect in soups, stews, and marinades. You can also brew thyme tea, which can help soothe a sore throat and ease respiratory issues. Number 5. Oregano, the immunity herb. Oregano is not just a pizza topping. It's a powerful herb with antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria. It's also rich in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation, making it a great addition to your diet. How to use it? Oregano is ideal for seasoning Italian dishes like pizza, pasta, and marinades. You can also make a tea with dried oregano leaves to help boost your immune system. Number 6. Parsley, more than a garnish. Health benefits. Often overlooked as just a garnish, parsley is actually a nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin K, which supports bone health and acts as a natural diuretic, helping to reduce bloating. Plus, its flavonoids may even reduce cancer risk. How to use it? Add parsley to salads, soups, and sauces. You can also make a detoxifying parsley tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water. Number 7. Sage, brain and mood booster. Sage is renowned for its ability to boost brain function and memory. It may also help alleviate symptoms of menopause and acts as a natural mood enhancer. It's an essential herb for overall well-being. How to use it? Sage pairs well with poultry, sausages, and roasted vegetables. Sage tea is also a great way to calm your mind and lift your mood. Number 8. Cilantro, famous for detox and digestion. Cilantro is more than just a flavor booster. It's known for its ability to help detoxify heavy metals from the body and support digestive health. It's also antibacterial, protecting against foodborne illness. How to use it? Cilantro is perfect in salsa, guacamole, and as a topping for tacos. You can also blend cilantro into smoothies for a detoxifying boost. Number 9. Dill, for digestive and bone health. Dill is fantastic for digestion, helping to reduce gas and promote healthy digestion. It's also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones, and contains flavonoids that protect against heart disease. How to use it? Dill is excellent in pickles, salads, and dressings. Dill tea can also help soothe an upset stomach and aid digestion. Number 10. Lavender. For calm and relaxation. Lavender is well known for its calming properties, making it a great herb to use for reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. It also has antiseptic properties, which can soothe skin irritation. How to use it? Lavender can be used in baking, such as in cookies or cakes, for a unique flavor. Lavender tea is a popular choice for relaxation before bed. So there you have it. 10 common herbs with surprising health benefits that you can grow right at home. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or just add some fresh flavor to your meals, these herbs have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.